The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, home to mysteries older than human history and creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Today, we journey deep into the world's most powerful, dangerous, and breathtaking ecosystem, the Amazon. Stretching across 9 South American countries, the Amazon covers more than 5.5 million square kilometers, an area larger than India. Every minute, this rainforest creates 20% of the world's oxygen, but beyond the endless green lies an ancient world where over 400 billion trees compete for light, and life thrives in pure chaos. In the shadows beneath the canopy live some of the most remarkable species on the planet. The emerald tree boa, coiled like a living jewel. The poison dart frog, small but deadly enough to stop a human heart. And the jaguar, the silent king of the Amazon, so powerful it can crush a skull with one bite. High above the forest floor, more than 70% of Amazon wildlife lives in the treetops. Spider monkeys leap between branches with impossible agility. Macaws paint the sky with colors brighter than fire. And sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur, turning them into moving pieces of the jungle itself. Flowing more than 6,400 kilometers, the Amazon River carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Here lives the pink river dolphin, an animal so intelligent that local tribes once believed they were magical shapeshifters. Below them lurk piranhas, capable of stripping flesh in minutes, and giant anacondas reaching over 8 meters long. For every one animal you see in the Amazon, thousands more are hidden. Bullet ants deliver the most painful sting of any insect on Earth. Leafcutter ants build cities beneath the soil, and millions of butterflies explode into color after every rainstorm, feeding on minerals from the jungle floor. But the Amazon is not only beautiful, it is unforgiving. Rapid floods can rise meters high in minutes. Venomous snakes hide under fallen leaves. Electric eels deliver shocks strong enough to knock out a horse. And tribes who have never seen modern civilization still roam its deepest regions. The Amazon is shrinking. Every single day, over 10 square kilometers are destroyed by logging, mining, and fires. More than 150 species go extinct here every day, many before they're ever discovered. Scientists believe the rainforest holds cures for diseases we haven't even encountered yet. The Amazon stabilizes Earth's climate, protects global weather systems, and stores billions of tons of carbon. Without it, our planet would change forever. Hotter summers, stronger storms, and a chain reaction that could affect every living thing. Saving the Amazon isn't just about protecting wildlife, so it's about protecting the future of humanity. The Amazon rainforest is a world of wonder. Ancient, powerful, and fragile. If you want more breathtaking documentaries like this, don't forget to subscribe and join us as we explore the hidden corners of our incredible planet.